All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, last night I did inform you that we were going to start going over the basics of, not the basic, we are going to take a little closer look at the LLMs. That's where we started tonight. And we're going to show you some notes that we took. It was all basically taking notes and making graphs and charts. Now, I could bore you with some reading, or I could show you what else I was doing for the night, which you probably want to see. So, yeah, that's everything we got from the night. And if you want, you could just read over it. I'll pan over slower so you can have a look and read over it yourself. But let me show you what else we were up to tonight. That's all for the LLMs there, getting a better understanding, a closer look. But also, let's have a look at what else we did tonight. Let me show you. This is how it started. This right here is how we started off the night. Not how we started off the night, but how we started off this process here. I'm going to show you how we progress. Now, you got to keep in mind that I told you I am just getting started with this particular prompt engineering and generative AI imaging. I took it to another step, so let's see what's going on with this. If it pops up. Now you can see it's kind of weird looking, but yeah, that's how it starts. This is the first one we did. I let it play a few times. They're like as long as GIFs, about 4 or 5 seconds a piece. Have some strange morph in there, but yeah, like I said, it's my first time doing it, so yeah, that's the first one. And we just kept going further and further and getting more progressive as we went. Let me show you this one here. This is the next one. I gotta talk. I don't want you to get the music in the background and get copyrighted. So yeah, this is the second one we did. I think we did 5 altogether. So this is number 2 here. As soon as it loads up, we can go ahead and get that going. So remember this. This one is a lot better. You can see the background. You remember this original image that we generated? Everything was still in the back. Now you can see the people actually walking and conversing. It looks like a live image. As you can see, we have some distortion here. Again, like I said, it does get better and better as we go. But you gotta look how the shirt moves, how the purse sways. Everything just looks, like a live image. That was the second one. Let's go look at the third one here. What was the third one that here? Let's do this one here for the third one. Like I said, they do get better and better, so I just have to keep on practicing. I might just start a whole another series. I might make 3 videos a day instead of the 2, so I can dedicate an entire section to just this because it seems like there's going to be a lot, which I expect it to be a lot because it is a whole field. But yeah, so this is our third one here. As you remember, this was a still image itself, but you can see we still have some distortion, when it starts generating pictures. When it starts animating the picture that we generated, you can see the distortion there. But yeah, so this is the third one we did here. Let's look at the fourth one, which was the fourth one here. So this is the fourth one here. We're gonna have a look at this one. And yeah, so there's one more after this. Save the best for last, of course, but let's look at the fourth one and see. I think they're getting better and better. I did them all in progression. So yeah, you remember this one looks like this is the original picture here. Let's animate this one. As you can see, it looks good. It's not that much distortion. You can see it holds pretty well. The face distorts just a little bit, but it kind of holds firm. It's not as bad as the other ones. No major morphing, no body morphing, just the face. When the face transitions from one direction to the next, you can see a little morphing there, but it's not as bad as the other ones. So that's how we started tonight. Now let me show you the last one we did. And it looks like this is going to be our best one yet. So yeah, I'm just going to try to feed off whatever I did with this one, which I have no idea. I did them all the same, but I guess it's the prompt that makes all the difference. So yeah, let's see how this one ended up here. I might try to make this one my screensaver or something, but this one came out. This one came out good. Now look at this one. And this was the best one of the night here. I don't know why this one came out better than all of the other ones, or why this one was different than the other ones. But you can see we don't have basically any face morphing. The hands seem to stay the same. The body stays the same. You can see the fire flickering in the back, the fire flickering on the hilt of the sword. Yeah, this one was just the best one of the night here. I'm gonna just play for a few seconds because I do like this image here. I'm gonna try to change it, turn it into a GIF maybe, and I don't know, make it a wallpaper or something. I don't know. I like it a lot. Yeah, that's what we did for the night. We did note taking, but we did spend a big chunk of the day trying to debug that TensorFlow course, like I told you, and then in between, we animated our generated images. But yeah, that's what it is there. But we will pick it up tomorrow. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.